Hey folks, today is February the 16th. It's currently 7:11 in the afternoon. We're going to look at doing our Auto News Trader Weekly Update Review. Looks like we've taken several trades this week, which is always a good thing. Unfortunately, looks like both trades were losers. Let me see here. Alright, 12th was the first day of the week, and it looks like our trades were taken on the 15th. So basically yesterday, Thursday. We'll take a look and see exactly what news releases those might have been here. But you can see they were on AUDNZD, which is right here. And that means that it doesn't just take U.S. news, which is a very good thing. There's a lot of options out there, so I'm glad about that. You guys can also see I'm now taking trades 0.50, 0.50. So I did make that change. Actually, let me pull up the stats here so you guys can see exactly what I changed. All right, here are the properties. As you guys can see here, stop loss, take profit. And I have this set to fixed lot, as you can see right there. And it gives you the option to choose between, what is it, risk scaling, lot scaling, custom lot size, and percent from balance. All right, so we have fixed lot, and we're actually trading at a custom lot size of 0.5, which is exactly what you guys can see right here. So hopefully we'll get a few nice winning trades here to kind of balance out what we've been seeing with the past couple, actually the past three. And non-farm payroll should be right here on the 2nd of March. So let's go ahead and take a look real quick and see what trades we actually took that ended up as losers this week. So to begin with, 2:15:18 at 2:30 and 13 seconds. Let's take a look at that. All right, so as you can see, the market did give us a nice spike down. Unfortunately, it didn't continue to push down. We didn't get much continuation. It gave us a nice spike, then it turned around and started going back up. So that ended up as a losing trade, obviously. Second trade we took this week was, let's see here, 23:30. See if we can find that here. All right, so here we are right here. All right, so as you can see, we did have a nice spike down. Then it retraced back up a little more than halfway, and it started as well going right back up. So we really didn't get any follow through on any of the trades that we got into this week. Actually, let me see, where did we actually get filled on this trade here? 1.07174. So we got filled right there. And it went in profit for us about 2.5 pips. But like I said, we didn't get any continuation. Where do we get stopped out at? 1.07219. All right, so about a 5 pip stop there. So basically what we really need to see happen is for one of these trades to have a bigger deviation, is what I'm guessing. I'm not sure what time this was because this isn't set to my local time. Let's take a look here. That was obviously Thursday. So let's see what trades came out on Thursday. And we're on the AUDNZD. Let's see here. USD PPI, wasn't that? Wasn't ADP non-farm employment change. Let me make sure I'm in the right time frame here. All right, February 12th through February 16th. And let's see here. Business, NZ Manufacturing Index, GBA, Governor Lowe speaks. I'm not sure what those two particular news releases could have been. because like I said, it looks like one was during the morning and one was during the afternoon. So it's possible this right here was the trade we took. AUD, yep, AUD NZD. And then it's possible this was the trade we took in the afternoon, which was the Business NZ Manufacturing Index. Just based on what I'm looking at, that's what it looks to be the case here. And like I said, the hours obviously aren't lined up. I'm not sure what time zone this is actually set to right now, so not able to check it that way. Anyway, this is where we stand right now, currently down $222.61. And all we can do now is continue to let it run and continue to watch and see what happens. Like I said, Friday we have, actually this is the week after next week, we have non-farm payroll, so that's typically a good trade. But let's see what's coming up next week. Hopefully we have something good so that we can maybe get a few winners. All right, NZD PPI. Now that we know they trade other news besides just USD, I wish I had some idea what triggers they use, what deviations they focus on as far as how wide they are. All right, Tuesday doesn't look like we have really anything worthy of taking. Wednesday, GBP inflation report, USD FOMC meeting minutes. Thursday we have GBP second estimated GDP. We have Canadian core retail sales, along with USD unemployment claims. We have NZD retail sales. This has the potential to be a nice trade if the deviation is large enough. And Friday we have CAD CPI. Let's go ahead and just double check here and make sure. Sometimes they put non-farm payroll off. I just want to make sure it is coming up here. See, right now, I'm not seeing it here. So it's possible they just haven't added it yet. Or it's possible that it was scheduled to be the first full week of March. This is a bit far into the future, but we're just taking a peek here. All right, so as you can see here, non-farm employment change. So it looks like it is at 8:30 on March the 9th. So this is why it's good to take a peek and check on these things. And it looks like it's coming out at the same time as Canadian employment change. So just something to keep in mind here. Anyway, that's pretty much where we stand right now with it. Hopefully it'll be able to recover some of these losses. I think we've made some good changes by switching this to 0.5 instead of letting it choose the different lot sizes on its own. We were getting a bit of a lopsided result here. So we'll be patient and see what happens. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you next week on February 23rd for the next update. Take care, folks.